It's been 8 months since the first time I come into Bali Culinary Pastry School. When I first came to this school, I only expected to learn about cooking skill and technique, but turns out this school is so much more than that. I learned about character building, I learned about mental strength, I learned about attitude. Of course, I also learned about the cooking, but this school has shaped me to be a better person than first I came into this school.
From the first day you step in Bali Culinary Pastry School, you think about the amazing kitchens and how much fun you're going to have with your friends. And it's definitely like that. You start on the first day with, simple cutting lessons. All of us have no idea what to do in the kitchen, much less, how to hold a knife. 9 months later, and here we are running our own pop-up restaurant with, menu items that we've been developing from our own ideas for months. And we have, people who are head chefs and sous chefs in our kitchen. And it's really incredible to see the skills we have learned in the kitchen throughout these 9 months. It's really incredible to have been on that journey and to share it with others, close friends that I'm sure, we will have for the next few years. And also to share it with our friends and family who have supported us throughout this entire journey.
Pengalaman selama di pop-up project ini itu benar-benar unpredictable, capek, hektik, tapi seneng banget. Aku bersyukur banget bisa belajar di BCPS ini. Dalam 9 bulan ini aku belajar banyak banget. Mulai dari ilmu, stewarding, dan lain-lain. Dan juga yang paling penting kita merencanakan pop-up project ini itu harus terplanning dengan baik banget. Jadi aku ngerasa bersyukur banget dapat ilmu banyak banget di BCPS.
I had great food from Il Tavolo team. Amazing Italian creative food, and I want to say wish you the best luck in the future and keep going like this, and then you're going to come a long way.
Fantastic evening, great food, great service as well. Glad to see we have so many young talents around here in Indonesia and especially in Bali as well. We had fantastic dinner, 6 courses it was at the end, I think, right? Very creative, very nice tastes as well, very nice textures, great harmony as well through all. Great job, well done.